Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I cook with this Kif multi-function cooker. I usually cook it with rice. It's pretty easy. So right now, single-handed, I open it, the two lever. Okay, this is how much how much rice. Okay. Only 1 cup, like this. 1 cup for 2%, 1 meal. Just that much, like this. Then go for water. Usually I give a bit of water below. Let me bring the water. It's easier to put water here first. Then dump it in, add water. As all the video shows, it will sink down. This is okay. I'm gonna add more water. Then soak it for 15 minutes. This is the tip, soak it for 15 minutes. I'll come back after 15 minutes. So 15 minutes up. I also took a shower and keep my vehicles. So now let's see. Inside is about like this. The rice is a bit swelled up a bit. It's just nice. So now keep it back. And now go on the fire. Sure. This is the maximum fire, but I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use this. Then I will let it goes about 10 minutes. Then I come back to see. So Alexa, timer 10 minutes.
10 minutes starting now.
So Alexa will call me for to look at my rice. I'll come back in 10 minutes. Okay guys, so you see the steam going up this way. This is the correct way. When the steams start going to go less, switch off the fire, turn on the fire, then it's ready. So now it's about 12 minutes. Then switching off and checking the rice. So let's see. Give me a minute. I open it up. See, almost double the rice. Pretty good. It's about 12 minutes. Thank you.